What's going on, everyone? Original Dobo here. I had a video planned for today, but I've decided to cancel that video. Something different has come up. So if you aren't familiar with Front Page Tech, they are basically everything tech related news. They do a show almost every single day with just different news in the tech industry. Now, I found them because I got tired of scrolling through my RSS feed, just trying to read things, and this really condenses things, saves me a lot of time, so it can save you a lot of time. I'll put a link to their channel in the description below. They have this thing called Creator of Awesomeness. Basically, they are showcasing smaller creators that need to be picked out of the butthole of YouTube. Yes, I said butthole of YouTube, and it's easy to get buried down in there. People do a lot of random different things in YouTube and often can never be discovered because they're just buried under all the crap. Lately, things have been going really well, but I would love for them to go even better. And basically what John Prosser and Front Page Tech has decided to do is give us a reachability button of the digital form. So, you know, that little button you tap twice on your iPhone? Well, they've given us in visual format, given us the ability to reach more viewers by canceling a $500 spot. Yes, they are giving away a $500 slot. I want to be in their slot. It sounded better in my head. Original Dobo should be in that spot. My genre of tech is totally all over the place. There is zero consistency. And yes, there's a lot of saturation in the tech world, but I cover drones, phones, tech. You know what? Roll the intro. So if you've watched all of this and you're still watching right now, I've tried to keep this video very short. Please go to Front Page Tech's video of Creator of Awesomeness, which will also be in the link in the description below, and say Original Dobo needs to be in the next available spot. A little bit more effort. But I want to thank you all for being a part of my channel. If you're still watching this and you are going to help me and you are going to help me get in that spot for Friday's videos on Front Page Tech, thank you.